Hey y'all, it's Crystal at MrsHappyHomemaker.com and I am making a Crescent chicken pot pie tonight. So I have my skillet here set to medium heat, and to this I'm going to add a half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon granules, and a pinch of pepper. Now I'm just going to stir this and heat it up till it becomes nice and smooth. Now I'm going to add in 3/4 of a cup of milk. I'm going to stir that together and I'm going to bring it to a boil. Now to this I'm going to add 1 10-ounce bag of mixed vegetables that have been thawed. And now I'm adding in 1½ cups of cooked cube chicken. This is a great way to use up leftover chicken, by the way. You can also use a rotisserie chicken, which is what I did this time, or you can go ahead and just cook chicken just for this purpose. Now I am going to season this a little bit with some garlic powder and some salt and a little bit more pepper. So I have turned off the heat to my chicken pot pie mixture. And I have a square baking dish here that I have sprayed with non-stick baking spray. So I'm going to spread this into the bottom of my casserole dish. Now I'm going to take my crescent rolls, 1 can of them, and separate them into triangles to make my crust. So just separate them into triangles and lay them in your casserole dish to make your crust. Just pretend you're playing a game of Tetris, but in the kitchen. Well, all the crescent rolls fit except for one. I could force them in there, but I'm just gonna roll them up and make me 1 plain crescent roll because I happen to really like crescent rolls. So I'm gonna bake this at 375 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. So my chicken crescent pot pie is done. I'm gonna sit it here on my counter, let it cool off for a minute, and then slice into it. And that's it. Super easy, super delicious, and I'd say it's dinner time. Look at that. I hope that you love this chicken crescent pot pie recipe. I hope that you make it, and if you make it and you love it, I really hope that you let me know what you think.